In this two-indicator strategy video series, we combine two indicators to find profitable combinations. We have tried a lot of combinations, and only a few of them are profitable. In this video, we share another profitable combination. Welcome to the Trading Programmer. We use moving averages and relative vigor index for this strategy. Relative vigor index is very similar to stochastic oscillator. This video has 3 parts. In the first part, we test our strategy with euro and US dollar for the last year using the 1-hour chart. Part 2 is only for those who use MetaTrader 4 or 5 or who have access to historical data to backtest and optimize. Most of the online trading platforms don't have this, but don't worry, you can use the optimized values we share with you from 2015 to 2020. But it's not possible to optimize your own values using online trading platforms. In Part 3, we use those optimized values to trade the same time frame we traded in Part 1 to see the differences. This is the strategy to open and close trades. We combine the RVI with the 9-period and 16-period SMA. We open sell trades when RVI mainline crosses RVI signal line in downward direction while RVI main and RVI signal is above 0. We close sell trades when lower MA crosses higher MA in a downward direction. We open buy trades when RVI mainline crosses RVI signal line in an upward direction while RVI main and RVI signal is below 0. We close buy trades when lower MA crosses higher MA in an upward direction. Now we test this strategy in euro and US dollar 1-hour chart for 1 year. This is the result of the 1-year period. Next, we optimize all the values. These are the optimized values. Now we trade with optimized values for the same time frame. These are the results with the optimized values. Check out the other successful strategies on our channel. Download the free indicators and expert advisors on our website. The link is in the description below. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified about similar videos. Please leave a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.